Hey guys, I'm Rachel Pedersen and I'm excited to share with you 5 viral TikTok content ideas that are super easy, don't require a ton of editing, and you'll actually have fun, plus attract a group of followers that you will love to connect with. Let's cue that intro, and while the intro is playing, comment your TikTok handle below. And by the way, if you see someone whose content you like in the comments beneath this video, go ahead and follow them, comment. Let's create little engagement pods in the comment beneath this video. Why not? There's great people here. Let's cue that intro. TikTok can be a little bit of a challenging place because you sometimes start to wonder what type of content is going to perform. How do I know if my content has the ability to go viral, or even not necessarily go viral, but reach the type of people that I want to spend time with and engage with? I'm super excited because I handpicked these 5 viral ideas that you can utilize to go viral, or at the very least, find some awesome people that you can connect with on TikTok to maximize your experience on this platform. By the way, feel free to check out my profile and content on TikTok. I'm at the Mrs. Pedersen. At the time of filming this, I have over 610,000 followers on TikTok, which I think is pretty crazy cool. First up, we have the whole idea of like TikTok groups us with similar people. These ones always seem to work, especially if you pick a song that tends to be kind of like trending across the platform that week. So it doesn't have to be this song in particular. It can be any song that you want. I like to look through like what songs are trending that week, save one of those in my favorites, and then I'll record one of these videos. So I'll show you guys what this looks like. But what's neat about this is this intentionally brings in people who resonate with this video and say like, yeah, that's totally me, awesome. So then that way you can find and attract the exact type of people that you want. Now, if someone comments and says, no, this isn't me, which you guys will see in just a moment, that's okay. You can still connect with them, but this is a great way to literally put that call out to your people that you want to connect with. So let's check this out. This is the first idea, is the grouping us in similar interests. That one works because I shared a lot of different attributes that I have that, generally speaking, are the kind of people I like to be around. That doesn't mean I don't want to connect with people. It doesn't mean you don't want to connect with the people who are outside of that group. But at the same time, like, that's going to be some people that you have some really cool similarities or commonalities with. So that is the first idea. The second idea is to find one of the songs that is like one of those songs that's like no, or it's telling you there's always some rendition of this. So if you see one on your For You page and that triggers this thought, oh yeah, I can create like a bad advice roundup, feel free to do that. This is one that I did, and I like to do variations of this regularly. Like, this is bad advice, don't do that, no way. So I'll show you guys what this looks like, but collect all of the bad advice about whatever it is that you talk about and put it into one video and address it all at once. So here's an example of the bad advice roundup video. Now, you don't have to dance in your TikToks. I'm not great at dancing. I just have a lot of fun, and so I like to add in a dance, even though I know it's super cringy. Like, I don't even care. Honestly, I have 3 kids. I don't care at this point. The next idea is to show receipts, or to shut down a hater without ripping them apart. I don't do these ones a lot, only because I know that if I feature negative comments, a lot more negative comments will tend to come because people think it's a way to get more attention to their profile. So just keep that in mind. But once in a while, it's kind of fun to like show your receipts and just kind of show like how you are, who you are, whatever. If someone's totally dead wrong with a comment, feel free to share it. So I'll show you guys what this looks like and how I did it without ripping this person apart. But also, like, I kind of had fun just being like, you know what? I might be nice, but you're also not gonna like step on me here. So all I have to do to get you to work for me is prove that I make 7 figures. Deal. We have 3 payment processors per business. We have 2 businesses. We process most of our transactions through Stripe. Close second is wire transfer to our bank account, and a third is PayPal. I'm going to show you guys just 2 of those because I'm not going to show you my bank account. Inside of Stripe, you can see that we've done $2.76 million. Inside of PayPal, I downloaded this custom PDF. And let's open that bad boy. All right, I'm blurring out all of my information. We've done 1.14 million in PayPal. So now let's see what you do for a living. You're a writer and you can't spell owl? There's an apostrophe, bro. So just kind of fun. It's a good way to show like a different side of you. Of course, use caution when you do this because you don't want to come across as like hateful or angry or super vindictive. Although a lot of TikTok accounts have been grown by using those tactics or those techniques. That's just not necessarily what I choose because I think if you put out a lot of negativity in your videos, you'll tend to attract a more negative group of people. So I'll show you guys a few more. We got 2 more awesome viral ideas. They tend to do well. I'm really excited because these are all pretty easy to film. The 4th type of video is this video is for you if, and then you speak some kind of positivity into someone's life. Whether it's you're gonna be successful or if you're going to go after your dreams, or maybe it's if you want great skin in 2021. Basically, whatever it is that you talk about or the type of stuff that you create or the kind of people that you want, you're going to share something that's positive and forward looking. So I'll share what my example is. You pick a song that's a background song that's just very motivating and I like positive songs. I picked the song Home by Radical Face because I just think it's super positive. And then I went ahead and posted this video. It's very simple. Now, part of the reason that that one worked so well is because there were 3 parts to the video. There was this video is for you if, and then that gets people wanting to watch, and then you identify who it is and who they're going to be in the future, like future corporate America workers, future writers, future social media managers, and then the 3rd part is something that validates what they've always wanted to do or validates the success of them making it happen. So that's why that worked. It was nice and short. And the 5th type of viral video, once again, super simple, and I kept it pretty chill. But what I did here was basically I just did a roundup of information. So you could do this related to your industry, your niche, whatever it is that you want. I don't personally believe in niching down, but I do talk about business marketing, social media marketing, just because that's where my expertise lies. But go ahead and create a roundup. And the cool thing is you can oftentimes find these ideas for roundups from different blogs. Don't copy their content, but get inspiration from the roundups. So this one did well and brought a lot of people to my like YouTube channel because I have videos about this kind of stuff.
5, 6, 7, 8, dance with me in my backyard, boy, looking super fine in your corduroy. I think we could do it if we tried, if only to say you're mine. So call me a pessimist, but I don't believe in it, finding the true love's kiss.
So it's really fun. It's pretty simple, but basically you're sharing like a listicle in video form. And the nice part about putting that over a video of you if you're dancing is that it distracts from how maybe if you're like me, your dance moves aren't great. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, but also I have an awesome freebie for you guys. I put together 300 plus TikTok content ideas totally for free. Check that out beneath this video. Grab that. I know you guys are going to love it. Be sure you subscribe to my channel too, because I would love to hear from you every single time that I put out a video about TikTok, Instagram, social media, business marketing, and entrepreneurship. What questions do you have? Drop them in the comments. I will catch you guys later. Bye. Sorry, where was I going with that? 5 types of content ideas. Oops.